So welcome back. So today we are going to make chicken poppers. So we're going to make the chicken poppers two different ways. One with sweet potato and one with butternut squash. So it's absolutely delicious. It's pretty healthy too, considering, I mean, you're using chicken and vegetables. So what's not healthy there, right? So before we get started, here's a little joke for you. So I had an interview the other day. They asked me if I could perform under pressure. I said, no, but I can perform Bohemian Rhapsody. Terrible, terrible. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
With the chicken.
To start, we're going to prep all of our veggies. We're going to start by peeling and slicing and then grating our butternut squash. If you skipped arm day, don't worry. This should cover you and get you a nice little arm workout. Once we get the 2 cups of butternut squash, we're going to dice up half an onion, then peel and grate our sweet potato until we get 2 cups, which really only took about 1 sweet potato. And also, just in case that butternut squash wasn't a good enough arm workout for you, this should get you where you need to go. Next, we're going to dice up 4 green onions, and lastly, we're going to dice up our bacon. Make sure to chop this not too thin that you can't taste it, but also not too large to where it would prevent you from forming balls later. Once we have all that, we're ready to make the poppers. First up, we're going to make the butternut squash poppers. We are going to add 1 pound of ground chicken. What does it smell like?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? Our 4 slices of bacon that have been chopped in little pieces.
It's carrots.
Our grated 2 cups of butternut squash.
See, it has orange.
Then add our finely chopped half an onion.
I don't like onion.
2 tablespoons of flour. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic.
It's soft.
It's soft? Rosemary is soft, huh? Our soft 2 teaspoons of rosemary. Slowly add our 2 teaspoons of oregano. And then also slowly add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we are going to mix this up.
Mix.
And so that all of our spices and everything get to know each other and is evenly dispersed throughout the mixture. Then we're going to take our mixture and form little balls and put them onto our baking sheet and then lightly press down so that they basically form little pucks.
I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Why is that?
I don't want to do my hands.
Do you want to get your hands achy?
No.
Then we're going to throw these guys into the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 to 28 minutes. Next up, we're going to make our chicken sweet potato poppers. To start, we're going to add 1 pound of ground chicken, 2 cups of finely grated sweet potatoes from earlier.
Green onion?
Yeah.
I don't like green onion.
There's 4 green onions from earlier, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 cup of Panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, slowly added, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Once we get all that, we're going to mix everything up and make sure these flavors are mixed throughout and all those flavors get to know each other. Then, just like before, we're going to form these little balls, put them on the cookie sheet and press down and make those little pucks.
Daddy, you like peppers?
I like pepper, yeah. Do you?
Mm-mm.
You don't like your dog?
I do every dog. I don't like pepper.
And then we're going to bake these in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 25 to 28 minutes. As easy as that.
There we have it.
So there we have our chicken popper. So without further ado, let's get taste testing. What you think?
Go.
I think it's good, yeah. It's absolutely delicious. The blend of herbs and spices in there with the bacon and the chicken, absolutely delicious. Wouldn't change anything about it. So would you like to try the butternut squash one? That was a sweet potato one, by the way. All right, so that one is absolutely delicious as well. Wouldn't change anything about it. It's just all the blends of herbs and spices with the butternut and the chicken, absolutely delicious. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.